Peter from Window Cleaning World here, introducing the new Wagtail Slipstream. This is quite a cool tool. It has this foam glide strip, which is replaceable and available, and a flipper pad. Now, this holds quite a bit of water, and because the pads are right in front here, you can actually use it as a one-pass tool. So right here we've got pretty clean glass. It's typical of partitioning glass in offices. It's usually just got a little layer of dust on it. You can save a lot of time by just going straight to squeegeeing with that small amount of water rather than soaping it up first. And you'll notice with this squeegee that a lot of the water, or just about all of the water, is redirected back onto the glass. So it's not dripping down on the floor, it's slowly running down the glass. There's no dripping sound of water hitting the floor, and it's not until I get right to the bottom that there's a bit of water there that I can mop up. Now, if the window's dirtier, of course, it needs a bit of a scrub. So in that case, you just go into flipper mode, you hold it upside down, and then once the pad is jammed between the tool and the glass, you can scrub as much as you like. Now, we can use a pole just as easily. So we can go above our head, what we can't reach, and also it's much easier mopping up with the pole because it's much quicker. And then to go into squeegee mode, I just hold it off the glass, the pad falls away, and then I can have this S-stroke motion where I'm twisting with the lower arm and guiding with the top arm. So I cut in at the top, cut in at that top, and do the professional S-stroke style down to about eye level, where I then take the tool into my hand, works a bit easier then, and finish off the window. Now, there's also the Slipstream in a version that doesn't have the flipper pad, it just has the glide strip. This is a real snappy squeegee, which again can also just do the lighter glass. But on a hot day, sometimes you've scrubbed up a window and you might just want to have a squeegee that has extra glide. Before the hot sun evaporates the water, it just reapplies it again, and again directs the water back onto the glass. This is nice and light and snappy. So the Slipstream flipper and the Slipstream on its own come in 4 different sizes: the 12-inch, the 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch, which is 30 centimeters, 35, 40, and 45 centimeters. The larger one still fits in one of our commercial size window cleaning buckets, the 18-inch buckets, and the smaller models are probably better for domestic windows or people who need a little bit more practice at first. Will fit in a smaller bucket like this. So that was the Wagtail Slipstream and the Wagtail Slipstream Flipper.